Hey guys, in this updated video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the keyboard size to make it larger or smaller on the Samsung Galaxy S9 or the S9 Plus or the S9 series. Okay, so this is for the Android 10 latest update in 2021. So first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Next, swipe down at the top and tap on settings. So tap on the settings icon, and in here you want to go down and tap on general management. Next, tap on language and input. Then you go down to the keyboard section and tap on screen keyboard. Next, you tap on Samsung keyboard. And in here, we go down and tap on style and layout. Okay, next we're going to tap on size and transparency. And here you will be able to resize your keyboard to make it smaller or larger by simply dragging on the handle, so the top handle or the bottom handle and the side handle to make it larger or smaller. And that's it. Once you're happy with the size, you can just simply tap on the back key. So I think I need to tap on the save button. No, that's fine. You can just tap on the done button, or you can just tap on the back key, or you can also tap on the reset button to go back to the default. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. And that's it. That is the latest update for your Galaxy S9, because in the previous version of Android, it is in a different location. Now they changed it to a different location for Android 10 latest update in 2021. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.